Hello, my name is James Thewissen. I am Professor of Corporate Finance at the LFIN LIDAM Institute of the Université Catholique de Louvain. When one talks about finance, it is common to think of numbers, boring Excel sheets, complicated graphs, or even very long formulas. However, it is time to see this discipline from a different and less reductive approach. My job at university is to show that finance is not just a series of numbers in an Excel sheet, but also a story of words. Numbers give summarized information, but words tell a story about the company's performance. In fact, before you allocate your capital, you read the news, you listen to podcasts, and ultimately decide on whether to invest in a stock or a fund. Still, because words cannot be stored in a traditional column-row database, they tend to be largely ignored by academics, regulators, and investors alike. It is only recently that things have started to change. With the exponential growth of unstructured data regarding companies' performance and the development of artificial intelligence methods, it is today possible to automatically extract the information contained in corporate disclosures. The issue is, however, how to optimally use this information. The objective of my research at UC Louvain is to learn how firms should disclose their qualitative disclosures in order to optimize the information content to investors. I consider two approaches. The first approach relates to the use of artificial intelligence methods to better define proxies of tone to more accurately predict future firm performance. Prior literature typically aggregates the sum of positive and negative words and takes the difference. However, this approach ignores the context of the information or even the position of the words in the text. Based on topic modeling, I tend to define more optimal or more efficient methods to extract this information from disclosure. The second approach relates to understanding how managers opportunistically manipulate the content of such disclosures. It is very well known that managers tend to manipulate numbers, but what most people actually ignore is that they also tend to manipulate the content of qualitative information. These results are of use to companies who are looking to optimize how to structure their corporate disclosures in order to provide value-relevant information to investors. But my research is also useful for regulators who are willing to complement their quantitative analysis with qualitative information from corporate disclosures and better identify cases of fraud or accounting manipulation.